Hi guys, in this video we're going to install the stairs and fit the windows to the back of the dormer. We're going to build the stud walls for the 2 bedrooms upstairs, which will both have en suites. We get the first fix done. We're going to get some rendering done while we've still got the scaffolding. Block up a couple of windows and get the scaffolding down. Show you around. Enjoy. All windows are in. Mark's just filling in either side here. I'll get this side so you can see. Lovely, don't they? There's the bathroom one, frosted. And there's the other 2, one there. Lovely. Mark's just put in the, this is where the wall's going to go. Obviously, the stairs here. This wall is going along, it'll go straight up either side of the stairs. Same with this one. This here is going to be a cupboard here, goes across there, back across there as well. We're going to put the boiler in. Well, plan on putting the boiler in at the moment. Cylinder. So that's that. So this bedroom, you can see where I am there, the back windows. So this bedroom is going to go where James is. It's going to be all of that area there. Over here where I am, it's going to be, going to run through there, and then we got light out of that window. Ensuite here, light out of that window. And then over here, this is the big ensuite. This is the big ensuite that's going to be servicing that bedroom over there. So yeah, it has changed a bit, but it's going to be better this way. And then that bedroom is all over there. So yeah, all good. Start getting the walls up tomorrow. We're just basically setting it all out today. So there's the ensuite for this bedroom I'm standing in. We go in through here. There's going to be a door here. Come up the stairs, turn left to come into this bedroom. Up the stairs, turn right to go into the other bedroom. And all the vents have been done, as you can see there, hanging down. The vents have been done outside. Soon I'll get a video. I'll get an image of them in a second. And the vent is done for that bedroom as well, bathroom as well. Let's go out here, see if I can see. And there's one above here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. A vent up there as well. Right, so they've all been vented. All good. Right, so that's it. On this side as well. That's the change of doing the things there. That's one wall. That's obviously the stairs there, mate. That's the cupboard. As you come out, really, what I'm doing the video for Nick is just to show you, like, it looks like we have got all the walls up, but there's a lot of extra you've got to do after. So, but the walls are up, that's how they are at the moment like that. But I need to add this bit of wood, and that bit of wood, and that bit of wood as well, to take the plasterboard. So, the insulation goes over that, it's sticking out to here, so I've got to put this on because the insulation is so thick. I'm got nothing to fix your plasterboard to. And the same here, I've got to be able to fix the plasterboard as it will crack everywhere. So I've got to add 3 extra timbers to every one there. Like, and every wall where it hits the dormer. So otherwise we won't be able to fix the plasterboard.
Okay guys, just a quick look around downstairs. Now we've got all the stud walls up. Here's the utility room and the family bathroom on the right.
So today we start installation in the dormer. First fix of the electrics has been done. This has been done by TTP Electrics, so if you're looking for a decent electrician, I thoroughly recommend these guys. Contact details will be on the screen.
So on the next video we'll be knocking down the garage and digging the footings for the extension. See you on the next one.